It's important to maintain your Bose sound control hearing aids and regularly replace accessories. In this video, we'll help you understand when and how to replace the batteries. Before we begin, it's important to note that replacement batteries can be ordered through our partnership with Lexi Hearing. Visit lexihearing.com/Bose accessories to learn more. You can also purchase more batteries from your local pharmacy. Just make sure they are size 312 Zinc Air batteries. Each battery can provide up to 4 days of use, assuming that you use both hearing aids for 14 hours per day. Battery life may vary by battery brand, age, frequency of use, or if you only use a single hearing aid. When you hear
battery low
from one of the hearing aids, or if they're not powering on, it's time to replace the battery in that hearing aid. To ensure that your hearing aids are working when you need them, we recommend you develop a battery replacement routine. For example, replacing the batteries every 5 days before you put the hearing aids on. To replace the battery, gently pull the tab on the bottom of the hearing aid until the battery door fully opens. Push the battery out through the back of the battery door, or use the magnetic end of the hearing aid brush to easily remove the battery. Remove one of the new size 312 batteries from the package, and then insert it with the sticker side, or positive side, facing up. Repeat these steps for the other hearing aid if necessary. Peel the sticker off to activate the battery. To extend the battery life, leave the battery in with the door open for 5 minutes. This exposes it to the air and gives it time to fully activate. Okay, now you can fully close the battery door to power on the hearing aid. You will feel 2 clicks as each door fully closes. To power off the hearing aids, partially open the battery door until you feel a click. Keeping the door partially open will disconnect the battery and prevent it from falling out. For additional support, visit our website, or to buy replacement accessories, visit Lexi Hearing.